potatoes look wonderful.
They just came in this morning, ma'am. Freshest you'll find.
I'll give you 50 cents for the whole bag, dear. 50 cents. Oh, you are too much. All right, just for you, half price.
Fresh golden melons. Get your sweet melons here. Best price in the market.
Have you tried these golden melons before? They look amazing.
They're perfectly ripe.
This one feels heavy.
Can we get one, please, Mummy? Would you like to try a sample?
It's very sweet.
That is delicious. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Come again soon. Who's next for the best cantaloupe in the market?
We are prepared to take the entire flock off your hands today.
They're worth a fair bit, especially the breeders.
Naturally, we can agree on a volume discount.
How much for the yams today?
50 for this one, madam.
Look out, the ducks are coming through.
That one is exactly £3. See the price here.
Is there any discount if we buy two?
How fresh are these ones in the front? Here you go, fresh ducks.
Thank you, very reorganization.
How much for this one?
Listos. 1, 2, 3. Ahora, fuerte.
The reds are full. Bring another crate.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Where do these big ones go? Over here in the blue one.
This one is very fresh, madam. Look at the eyes.
I will give you 300 rupees for this one, not a penny more.
Here is the best pearl spot. Exactly 1 kilo.
Wonderful, thank you. How much is it?
Just 500 rupees.
The potatoes are fresh today, picked this morning.
I will take 2 kilos, please.
From the grove to the market, the farm to the tanks, it's been a day of variety and hard work.
sit nice and gentle with the knife.
Look how colorful it is, Mommy.
It looks delicious already.
A symbol of hope and the infinite possibilities for the future of our farm.
Khăn ดินพักกันลอบมาขาบกันคำข้ามาคานขัดเข้าไม่ข้ามมาขานแรงกันหิ้งขัดอ่าน